I'm going to take my original template that I had come up with, and I'm going to trace it onto this next piece of wood. I made sure that when I put this down that I tried to encompass the most character of the wood. If there were some nail holes, if there was some type of indentation, to really capture that this was a used piece of wood. So I'm going to trace this. Now I'm going to clamp this down and cut it.
So a common recurring theme with these boards is that some areas are a little weak, obviously due to the age. So when I get around this corner, I realize it's a little weak. So I'm going to take it off camera and I'm going to glue it.
It's all glued up, should be good to go. I'm going to finish cutting this out. So all right, so I got this to a pretty acceptable condition for the back. I'm gonna touch up the edges off camera and like round over the edges. And this piece should be pretty much done. I'm gonna see what color I want to stain this. I'm going to maybe go with a little bit of a darker stain and then just seal it with a nice satin finish so you can really appreciate the beauty of this piece.